Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. If you're new and viewing for the first time, we would like to take this time to say welcome. We would love to have you as part of the Elegance family. We would love it if you would join us and subscribe to our channel and make sure you turn on your post notification so that you will be notified every time we post a new video. Today we are making a oversized lit decorative wine glass centerpiece. So if this is a project you think you may be interested in making, just continue to keep watching. For this project, you will need one wine glass, crystal wrap, a rose, a brooch, Mod Podge, liquid gold leaf, a pack of silver leafing, one tiny LED light, and some leaves. All materials will be linked in the description bar below this video. Feel free to write any questions or concerns that you might have in the comment bar below, and we will answer any questions or concerns that you might have. We are using a Mod Podge to wrap this wine glass. Just make sure that you are wrapping your wine glass with a glass glue, something that is going to adhere to the wine glass and make it permanent. We are now applying the liquid leaf onto the leaves, and we will do this process until all the leaves are covered. So we allowed the leaves to dry about 20 minutes before we started silver leafing the leaves. And we are using Mod Podge to silver leaf. Because the Mod Podge dries fast, you can start leafing 10 minutes after you have applied the Mod Podge. Leafing is very fun to work with. You can create it and it's beautiful, the results of what it does, but you want to make sure that you don't have a fan on or air blowing, because it can be a very messy process if you have air blowing, because it just picks up, it's very light. Now we're just brushing and cleaning the leafing off of the leaves, but we're going to use this particular brush to apply the liquid leaf slightly onto the silver to kind of blend it in so it won't be so pronounced. Now we are applying a brooch to the center, and we are also applying the light. The light is optional. You don't have to choose a light, but if you want to, you can put a little light in the rolls, and it looks absolutely beautiful if you have a function, and at night it just looks very warm and romantic. So this does complete our tutorial for today, and if you enjoyed this tutorial, please give us a thumbs up. We would love to hear your feedback and let us know how we did today on this project. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please consider doing so at this time so that you can receive all notifications every time we post a new video. Until next time, may God bless you and keep you, and we will see you on our next video. Bye.